Hello everyone. So in today's class we are going to see how we can convert primal LP problem in dual LP problem. Okay. So first thing, as we have seen in our earlier examples also, that we will convert primal problem in standard primal problem and then standard to dual form. Okay. So what is the standard method form? Objective function will be in maximization and all my constraint equation will be less than equals to form. If you will see this example, my objective function is in maximization form and all the constraints equations are in less than equals to form. So two conditions are satisfied. Only one thing is remaining, that my decision variable is unrestricted. For that, we have seen earlier that we will replace x3 with x3 dash and x3 double dash, where x3 dash is greater than 0 and x3 double dash is also greater than 0. Okay. So to get the standard LP form, maximization function will remain same, that is xw is equals to 5x1 plus 12x2 plus 4. Now we will replace x3 with x3 dash minus x3 double dash. Okay. And it is subjected to x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 dash minus x3 double dash less than 5, and second constraint equation will remain same, only difference is we will replace x3 with x3 dash x3 double dash, which is less than 2. Okay. So that's my standard form, where x1, x2, x3 dash, x3 double dash is greater than 0, equals to 0. Okay. So next step is to convert in dual form. For dual form, we have seen that all the rows will transpose to column. So it will be x1 will become 1 w1, 2x1 will become 2 w2. Similarly, second row column will become second constraint 2 w1 minus w2. Then third, it will be 1 w1 plus 3 w2. Okay. And likewise last will be minus w1 minus 3 w2. So now first step is done. I have transposed all the rows and columns of constraint of coefficients of constraints. Okay. Next thing is I will transpose right hand side constant with my objective function constraints. So now my objective function constraints will be 5 w1, 2 w2. Okay. We are having two equations only. Okay. So two variables, and all my constraints of objective function will become right hand side for dual problem, that will be 5, 12, 4 minus 4. Okay. Next is I will convert all my less than equations in greater than equals to form in dual problem, and maximization problem will become minimization problem. This is xw, this is zw, this is zx. Okay. So that's my new objective function, and all my decision variables will be greater than 0. So that's the dual form of given primal LP problem. Okay. So that's are the steps which are involved in converting any primal LP problem into dual LP problem. Okay. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you.